This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for biology exams. Begin by actively engaging with your study material. Don't just passively read. Instead, summarize concepts in your own words to ensure understanding. Creating flashcards for key terms and processes is highly effective. Additionally, drawing diagrams helps visualize complex biological systems and their intricate relationships, making them easier to recall during your exam. This active approach significantly boosts retention. Consistent practice and review are crucial for success. Make sure to complete practice questions from your textbook or reliable online resources. Reviewing past quizzes and assignments helps you pinpoint areas where you need more focus. Try explaining complex concepts aloud to a study partner or even to yourself. This method solidifies your understanding and highlights any gaps in your knowledge. Aim for at least 2 to 3 review sessions per week. Employ smart study techniques to maximize your efficiency. Break down large, overwhelming topics into smaller, more manageable sections. This makes the material less daunting. Utilize mnemonic devices, like acronyms or rhymes, to help recall difficult sequences or lists of information. Always strive to connect new information to concepts you've already learned, building a stronger, more interconnected understanding of biology. This approach makes learning more intuitive. Proper preparation extends to exam day itself. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before your exam. Rest is vital for cognitive function. Eat a balanced meal to fuel your brain, avoiding heavy or sugary foods that can cause a crash. Arrive early at the exam location to settle in, find your seat, and avoid any last-minute rush or stress. A calm mind performs best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.